ang malungil sils el al sils pia
Yes, malungil.
o kada koramlo o talgibel botoka al sungud ndi kada mreng asaul sab edo met makar el al sils gid mangal to kubet sil okya kargit artial program rgit rato taut maktingun mertiagid em ol tour ge oi wital bada srabi bilyan mal kora atel mal kol gire me Beckwin tiada betti kanira James 5 verse 13 Wase, is anyone among you suffering? Let him pray. Is anyone cheerful? Let him sing songs. Let him sing songs. Mang waseng al ngaringa ngaratulong liul koram mang ngaringa obra tararungul emolulu ayem lolulu mal ngaringa ngaratulong liul ko mal mearungul ebe erem longitakla Ngorah mal apen. Oy mal masaula Dios, el apias el guk open artial program kita na DOTAUT, Tekoi Ureor doing business in Palau. Laban game.
Okay, malusaula Irene, malusaula. Ako ba kasi malungil kahilan sa ringin. Tumurasyo, and I know malmasaula kal to bet sil okya kagid mas ben me. Inga nga di ka man I know mal numero ba mal klam niya. Such a faith-filled young man. And thank you for giving us the chance to entertain and inform you and getting to know our okyak.
Yes.
Mang aging wati alam mas kawe maol Beckwin maka ko ay share okyak kali gitu basi kakata ngal kerja boy kerja kelas kuliah Tamam tangan lakawe.
Sab emal mutul dulit ngin clever rogi. Oh, lang kat junior mangira low eyes.
Oh, that's right. I
see. Kaya kumu alin sa kading talteal di mo nga sulit terong mal anti sa nakadi anti kom direct mal supportive ay garo kulto ko nakadi to ko ra asek mal mudu ringi ma ay garo kulto ko ra klawad ma ay garo Tokora Blay ma Rogul, you know, identify us as a family.
I see.
And yung nga kang clear ka Beckwin Mechol Junior, nga kang legal la Beckwin Mechol, maaudirang nga molaw. Di unfortunately, tigil meral dama ka mapala ka, ano mo smer, ilalta makubunggel lang, kaya dali dala ka isum erad nga dairik, lang nga legal la tayo ko. Direct ka lang, kabunggel kayo dali dama ka kalinsulter direct lang. Tigal tero sister sa nga kalmasing nga mo law sanay taring milter ingel sanay baby sister nga ke ingya boss nga ka aro ko to nga ka buy gra tiul buy nga rebet elalta makaskura PCC hindi nga prerequisite sa momalartel bachelor's program na sa San Diego State University.
Oh, malungin. Nga major ka.
Major nga ka education.
Malungin.
Wow.
Nga rin ak na nga associate siguro nga ilak nga legal sabi ang lang my route to bachelor's. Beto ko kami amatingin wasi nga ka specialize ko to ko alita.
I see.
Nga ako manumrang wasi daka arugul ada mga nga talented daka di imol ada bulu ada daka talented ngi hindi yor ka sige ngaw neto gubat sel elga kita mamngitak hindi sel cook next phase ra program so di mo say what do I actually do.
And so nga mo kuramal may nangila ko kara choose education tingala ulma kamala choose education
Aun mak ni so choose education ngaling serong ugal sakal super rogo nga hotel meri nga ka choose one nga hotel swakal niro ko nga sakal ngidil dobong nga maldiwa talaga sem paska ka challenge sa ako ahead and try either akruli lungil or mutulungil rangel adal na ko truling.
Wow, malungil.
Hindi sel to ko alitak lang tigil adal lumra nga ke mal lamda so asin sakal mo waigaw or sakal mo budul waigaw tayo educational route tak nga rin siya suwa kal deliver martigan karera nga kal mang tira sa baril maringi tayo dali joy tal joy ak nga rin
sharing your talent.
I see.
Isa.
Lepas tu kalau ada say playing because I'm getting paid for it, but in reality, nothing is more enjoyable. Langsung mag-usok ko rato ko mal suami maluring.
Kung reminder nga kara David from the Bible. He played dalang maralungi lang. It made him happy. Tila malungil eh. Ang kaorating ko nga siya nga ka high school. Wow. O isa lang nga rin yung musical sa tire, ang one ramal mentor at tire, o bantarilo sa ko. Makaw kam na raskura, elementary ra, Palau?
Oy say.
Kam na raskura koror.
Elementary school, promote mas.
Kam la eller Palau.
Oy say. Eller Palau, un teatro ablay ratiul, mas school elementary school. Emo Palau High School, graduate tra PCC Laba Associates, elak mo nga PCC, lukuk nga under San Diego State.
Lungin for bachelors.
Makaman, homegrown.
Homegrown. Original.
Yes, I say. Malungil eh. Education ako lungil being a teacher or education, lang you offer yourself. Mas sila talent ka. Honorable major, career path.
Being of service. Maraw sa tiyal, klangal tangatal, sengkaringi, I say.
Yeah.
And tell what music how did kunta ulis akrakal mo gita, hindi mo nakapikira.
Ela, tiya maraming gora alto story lang. Nga kara elementary. Sige tak 4th grade. Nga di mo naso ka ukulele. Hindi mo na ukulele marong. Agita man eti ma umangitak lam ni di naso ka losot kat klaro.
Around elementary school.
And then sige tak para 6th grade nga ring kalmal tawbet el neighbor nga kal ngalgala Flavin Miss. Trinity the ring Miss. 6th grade ang challenge raw kasi asum ak maskawa $1 $5 asum so em rosot tal gita makmadir tal gita ungil na rin man neighbor nga maktibol back and forth kasi para gita kal subi 1 week later nga kasi koko na subi tal gita nga kasi jak erim gipaw to them di mo nakmutal para rin 1 week sige rap no start tal low gita
already ka betul ko
already active na nga kanusu gita di mo nga kal subo hindi nga rin igal times sa dir ka atang kaya gidale kung mga katay ko siya nga ugalele hindi ko masa ato gita tigal wa ang ko kosta nga mga ugalelin say the time mo omdik mo was it tangaral ima lagita mga nangklen and then eventually ang ko nga ka Ephraim amnira Hawaii say do temen la kami din la kan maranga and then ngusal gitar isem lo kot gitar nga sige tak ni start to masubal ungil masub atem sak mo umula kalwa sak mastuang tal bitang alubak mo ka para sa mas tela ruba kalwa se tangal di malagita
Tiliga kal mal homegrown.
Wow, malungin.
So eventually di mo nakaadon maralo si sakla kung di mo nga kal el subi. It was just myself. It came to a point where I can be on my bed ugita bebela times mo imita maday or betik tal gitar nga magtasel ka sa baklaw lang open na asim na lang ngil talaga kasi sem lang ara so komen at lilik tamada kaya gitar mo oktul doring.
Gitar kalmam iway.
Yeah, but that's just the guitar alone. Singing is a different story.
And then singing came after
It came after I started playing the guitar because it's right now as of this year it's been 14 years sa gita and I think 4 years sa mangitak.
Wow.
And the reason why I end up mangitak is back in high school nga ako ni guitar at classmates nga mangitak la anthem every first Monday of the month PHS. And then eventually ara ba sige regular again mangitak mo end up mangitak.
Wala ka tinibanso.
I see. Ese lokot tel best tel gamen tel black ngura asakla nga kawase Beckwin, nilukot tal nga rin kita i-claim. Nagmaktim na mo, but eventually, because of that comment, it challenged me to say, oh, okay, lang nga I'm gonna challenge myself to develop my voice.
Oh,
Ito po sila ko makita iklem.
It's true, ang tail voice at yun na matangil. Alam, ngitak lang ako gitan, di sa talobag tal nga rin. Araw asing kwa nga rin
Di mal unique ka voice rin.
Yes.
Mal sabel sustain sila ko taon
Wow.
mo rin mal.
So yeah, my growth as a musician wasn't professionally taught. It was
Madim na ka natural talent ka voice ka. Like other people, they have just born with a beautiful voice.
Ngaitel born from maybe a strong family background.
I see.
At tigal adel mal by swakal meto tir at tigal adel totally nowhere near music, and then the next thing you know they're on the stage.
Say yung matingil was saying there's a higher power maluro ka ang kala oreng sa notes al selap tulum marangum.
It's your hidden talent that ka malaswar.
Oy.
And yeah. It wasn't for that one neighbor and the challenge ng Ragita, and if it wasn't tigal at high school at the time el milungok to sa gira man mitak direct, I wouldn't be as good as I am, but as of today, but I'm still learning as I go.
See, hindi mo naka-program na school lalo sa akla music, mga voice, mga raklet. Maral, you're very unique experience ka rin. Maral, hindi mo on your own.
And at home.
Yeah.
Oy man marang pay mumle omul at home and kaydal 14 years mo gita 4 years mo gitak lang kaydal by help para nga la school lang mla mo ko ringya kadira kal instrumental ulm la mo ngitel program ra Palau High School.
No, yes.
Mo ko ring sa principal smile kada mga saura
Dili ka mo ngin part ra tele waska accreditation at yun. Dili ka arts and humanities and ka super music.
Why
Yeah. So to say arts and humanities and to accreditation, where's the art? Where's the program? So
I didn't know wasn't required, but it's good to know. Polo tingel other wasing bral al close to talela arts and humanities and music. Maul magidire kal lulingit terkal may. Ay gal Tekoi Ureor. Really Tekoi bela wasakan Tekoi Ureor, and think it's really ngigel doru lar other bela pek patengela tu rarat. Oh, ya ka mal to kubet stay kita lukto ra ka. Kaman masaul ko share.
And that only that kadiri ka angel marungi, it's a talent that you've developed, the angel
Makes you
marungi.
happy.
Make people happy through your songs. At the same time, you earn income.
Yes.
But yeah, mali check.
Kira the PL support. Patas kira the support arts and music. Wait, tiragitan ka kanila.
Ngay sa nga kamalo marang walwase ay ga rokul direct luus ra bibilyal at talent ang nga value ringi. There's in the Bible I have, I'm not so sure if it's the King James version, but it has the numerical values of talent. Ang nga number of talents, 1, 2 and so forth. Ang nga numerical values ringi. So nga kamalo marang walwase siya wana evident walwase siya asing grabe pa kan murgi what you have is your talent, and what you do with your talent is a gift back to the Almighty.
Yeah.
And the income that I'm getting is akmal di so kalikot also se wasing akmal masati ko la belal el tipo all me gigidale egel pa show kung itak la ringi makel tigel adorera I get a governmental function. It includes ang clear ng itak la anthem, and those little things and those major things contribute. That gives me my identity as a musician.
Yes. Direkal mal give Palau a strong identity. Ang kamla mangitak regal direkal events ra US Embassy, a World Expo, Dubai, marang. Ay direkal help ka atrabela umasel lungil at tel maruringing help tel balwatal.
Of course. As a part of a UN member country. Ingera ibolbulun liya kadibo sergit. Ngayon musicians maadrasers maadrang kida ada I have all of our talents. Minda ka pa daw lang adrang ko ibulun me. Nang itak for us. Ang sabel gut mak. It's our God given
Waise.
Right, and talent.
O ay mong ngira del bolo dinga tirgel other bela ul kuk lomdasul wase a music ma art sa kalela kal tokoy Ureor mal tokoy Ureor mengira del supporter tir e giril compensated del diwaya back Ureor o it's ya di livelihood and mal direct mal help para elas el kadawase bible a David tawluso la music el help para King Saul with his mental depression at his lowest. Maigal music, kaigal moru la Beckwin ako tal help para society and people individually and as a group, collectively. Akmal happy wase kamru ringi elang tela regim lamo ko dirge karel adal gangal karapta college student
It's week 24.
you still have a long way you like education the more you learn the more you will teach as well
I see.
being of service
Plus, tell bato ka tigil at meron mo outside. Mungungin na mo outside. Hindi na ako talklo sibi ang mga melang. You just have to, hindi na mali mo involve ra at malay forti mo adu ra maklol at mga rakkel ikal volunteer ra rakkel kamera sub mal bato ka talent melang.
Yeah. Mal batok. There are many people that both professional or tuk murul me mingitak but ngakatartigil adra when it comes to music I have a very picky taste when it comes to identifying music taas el makarang mataas el ngaklit but overall tumal batok ding tadir ko martitil it's
because it's part of our culture hindi kasi hindi ka lo tra ka hindi ako ra sabi ka tigil makarang ano mga kadala talented ding if chef come to what's that if you're between her and the rock place and perform yang hindi na kakadamadangar at talent
matila suka nga rikid lo sendakal dilgid al amat rikid hindi ela kada dire ko mes rablul atan maliwak la un mga nga America's Got Talent British Got Talent Australia Got Talent letum tatwa ba magkakaroon mo makolo se I can do it Matiyaya kira malulol nga seur kami wala
ka ba de parte嘅OBF ay sige men ngataram le star again other days hindi kaya kita
I got to tell the ari as growing because I've lived knowing this in my head was asumang taigi da so kal muring kal madingin was it's hard to start in a small place like this nding ako nga sulit aruba marugol other belaw lun marar ka mam tigil na expo cause not only kumlong just worked on the role I played at but at the same time when I was there, I just want to first recognize that till other Australia. Ngaling galad mirror say Clara Peter Sam, simili matangal niya Ambassador Michelle. And mal ticket other Australia man was come and sing on our stage. And eventually see the concert stage or Tiran. Not only did I play, but I played with many people that won those major events like Britain's Got Talent, Australia's Got Talent. Tinggal ko I get passion or country places I get Got Talent factors. So it was a little bit of a dream come true that I did not expect that somebody would be there.
Wow.
So,
praise God.
Artists they are well known in their country and then nga gel buy gel tilo para gel blura ang arbe obagita el da subel and then yet there I am
you were playing with
people
stars
and then that's why it makes me look back was marat to ko yung garo ang matsang garuba matigil ata aruba kamne sendel mo nga sir
man lekire malmo nakawya ko star kamamal kidro ko other belaw makmal merang asulem
larse kamal yung nga saw lagyan ko to yung ka man di rakra
man marang Marang. Mela ka kangara school ko ra plan sa ka mo graduate ra next year or maybe 2024.
23, 24, I believe.
Oh, okay, malungin. So you still have a couple more years
I see.
yung mga bachelor's of education. Malungin. Hindi ako mga tao sa ngayon, mela ka dito ka 24 years old. Oy. Mela ko kurati ka rin pial mo rin yung kasi ela kamla to dal rai krele be lao kamla mora World Expo kamlo masteri ra ta kalway this year patingira at tial bulul talent mangara el al kuk blam lutel merme ngora kuk ngara osingem hira la bulwat in terms of ang aringa sab el improve al ubang aringa sab el spe el korat makal lo reol lo siga.
I say, Serak na Dubai, it was a total change. It was a total shock because our perception in terms of business wise, Palau is getting there, but it's still a little bit far. And what I can say is we do need more people to cooperate, both exterior and interior. We cannot just rely on outside sources, or we cannot rely on insights.
Okay.
And abela anda kabalo ko lore ngel migel mon masa en musabael.
I see.
Dengan isa like nyo sa are atayo no.
Are atayo.
And we should have a plan.
Ngel nga plan.
Igil imol bulua mo buy into that one plan.
I see.
Imo kumaro ko
Ako operate.
Igil imol plan ko operate.
Calculate.
Hindi ka sabi el igil plan mo ka ngati sin ako tumila plan. It's now ingil against the world. I say kumlo masanga na mo expo.
I say it's
No omes, or other countries in Larsi, they brought their best.
yes.
We didn't have our best. I mean, of course, kami ayo din lang yung Larsi. You were with the best ra Australia, England,
We had 5 of our best youth. Imakumda sor atrang loy kal amlo maloy. But we could have brought more. Ko them le prepared in terms ra apepira ako ra klalo pa ilaw.
I see.
Mo tara wala ba kadamol all exhibit.
I say tigal adra Dubai amal. They have such unity to the point where no one is a stranger to them, regardless of the family or somewhat related. Because like they're even though they're vast, but they do have a lot of relations there. But regardless, when things is done, it needs to be done, and slowly they make pace. Dubai is literally 50 years old.
Wow.
And it was built on a patch of desert that nobody knew what the city would be planted there. 50 years later, it has become a city.
Yeah.
Because nothing's gonna work if we do not cooperate as one.
Actually, ko loreng suluaseng ngaring a ministry of tolerance. Awan ra ministry sa tiral atara Dubai, a ministry of tolerance.
Yes, Uncle Sheikh Nahyan, Mubarak Al Nahyan, Minister of Tolerance and Coexistence.
Wow.
So what do they do?
So he makes his role is basically making sure that the UAE stands on its ground in terms of business affairs and existing business affairs, gathering people together.
And they're getting along.
Yeah.
He's one of the relatives of the royal family. And I'm proud to say that on our national day of Palau Dubai, we had him over at our pavilion.
Malungin.
He's the peacemaker.
He's the peacemaker of the country.
And it's a ministry.
Ministry of Tolerance. Tial sel guktal ko rin tokor bella katawa se ngire dal tia kati dom das way gal tokor Ureor pial wase tokok ti adra tourist tokok ti adra a construction ay garro gu loru la adra bella wati wil tokoy di tokor Ureor Multra Arts and Music. At
We
ora
should be
alita.
connected.
Waise.
Yeah.
Egiralt makal kanya sewe waise lol konya pia. Lengting arinya ul maultutalel. Roko. Leltibo sa music, ng art, etel society koral adimoti prestar atringi. Waise. En kamla na Dubai 6 months.
Yeah.
Akmal proud ringi lang mal dire kalmle ko ngin tarar me kalel atal mo ngedim le immortal saal
immortal saal, eh?
o etira tewara dil makasang amo to ka rerem di ka malo taka ngala ikaw tiyan mal I'm very proud of you la kamo nge me continue ra school
Wai sa pira ko man mereng asul til teammates nga kali tira maraming tira ne backbone na taro gulto ko nga ken the person that they picked to be the exterior or the representative of the team, but maraming tira in the background.
So,
even matigil na belaw will help ka ma'am Marcy.
Malungi. Mendeka to take a break, and Marco sell the men. Deka commercial break, kita mo ngil ko itok
Yes.
sensual alitak.
Alright.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Beckwin, and I'll be singing the song called "What a Wonderful World" by Louis Armstrong. I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed days, dark sacred nights, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And I think to myself, what a wonderful
Kita telguk marmamang elagi do kum sakte elele pia ngora waisel mal gorngil wase lasab elgu ko ay sergi do waseng sual mengitak le moret selo gita al tangarinya kukngod niya matu orngil toko e takato tengay mel atya ate al guklo ay
Oo, nga kami ni alta, mawelem, lagi ko involved ngi, di kasi
oo
advertiser ka.
waise
Hindi ako malam sulang eh. Waise lang ka ada di matagal ka kalwas kada litak usually yak solo usually kadi po mesa ka kadinga kaltang or recently ak na start long three atuk pandra drop off mau pandra panu house tiro ko mat meda sa ali.
Oh, yeah.
Mama maklungip, medal mama maklungip.
Oo. Ela nga ka tel to ko ringi nga ka freelancing musician.
Okay.
That's it one. Nga ka freelance musician nga and I'd go by booking, maadala mo ko tong by email, cellphone ang iraw ko yan pumutigan nga Facebook nga ka ma Instagram nga. Direct kaltang not just di umitak but I also do weddings, particular funerals, any iltak weddings background music, kasi the background music or any instrumental so mil nga ka all because I play various instruments as well.
Oh, wow.
And sel ka kamaldil or umangat hindi umangat taktil ka musubol lang giri it's a happy momentous event hindi nga direct sabi ka develop per se hindi at high-end restaurants sa resorts ay kita mal feel tak nga rin ela sige ta wala ka sa freelance musician hindi nga kalotra nga nga rin set rate nga one na to ko direct black start the ring it's been 4 months I've been doing it. I do photography and videography and aerial drone footage. So kal advertiser Palau so vertical ala nga Facebook so especially Palau photography club am sum komne nores sakne start tel posta Aigel ko ra videos sel drone nga kamaliwek ra Long Island Michael alaba abra Southern Lagoon rawang usama ngaramdiw maulong I kita that's one thing I want to do. It's not advertise alba abargit tel alba launding ngel adal dib all rubong ngel tours asumli akon. So not only I'm doing what I love as videographer and photographer actress kalon nga tigel الأذى nga tour الأوباتيكال أوكيا I help him advertise his tour agency and in return I'm also getting the people who continuously go through my content and when they go through my content I also collect the income through that. So 2 of my social media platforms I monetize them.
Oh, okay. YouTube
no, Facebook o Instagram?
Facebook o Instagram. Manungil lang ma'am sel lang nga tupay direct video ikal happenings. Michael concerts mga rangel share man sa betal Marbella Omes. Dia direct tara senggar ka ul lako takali malungil.
Kotel so kato ko kato ka siya sing ma video especially the perspective Lagada ako sa mga ngaring omes. O sa mga ayaw, mga skogi, din since ang naman yung technology, mga drone, vela mo. Tamo sa ako mo sa Maria Lomes a view, not all people around the world has the privilege to do so. And knowing that the other tours mga airtel o vertical okya kalmong the only thing they're able to see is under the water but I want them to know also they want to see what's also up there from up and looking down below and in return I'm helping other people who may be watching these videos so I say ang gantaal mumulbonggel nga tour.
Swing dire kan man.
Advertise tour swing.
So every time he asks me, every time he say nga trip ang muloko nga kasi alak luko kana yan. Makmong
Malungin.
So you get a free ride.
Di ko man nga sulal la.
Yes, that's great.
You have the energy and time to do these things.
And then our tourists will magiging content.
Yes. Content, especially when it comes to weddings, weddings I get the story make a memory out of whatever they're doing. They also do that because
Matomara look at the
I say ngari nga rate nga ka
church. Ureor
Di ko ta sa marialing. At the end, the product is beautiful, and nothing makes me more happy to let them know as they're satisfied with whatever I took for them. And then, it doesn't matter if they remember who took the photo, but as long they know that this is the place they took that photo.
Ito malhapil direct mong share mo atrablir
free advertisement right there.
May
Sa mga ko ay sa 3 or 50 other people or 100. Musoyin may.
Waise.
Musoyin muso.
Oh, swing nga dire kal kotulungil lang gora kaya tour. Mang sabiul gora nga nga ikel el pasyo mal personalized, customized. Maumo pang kaya ka mal dire kal help ringi and you can have a good time as well. And dire kal amo orchestra ka mam one of these days. Masalom ko to rapli rang along pati masaul man dire ka kalamay.
Yeah, kamang takatital swing, but I'm more than happy to comply with any other two people in tours.
Palau Blue Tours. Pero sumagi ko start bali kaya ko contractor ka.
Alo nga kadir ka nga galis aliga iget akmil ko ngira a couple of days ago or last week I say sakal may visit drop off gugula video drop off advertise because that's just my way of giving back was sulang alne hire nga kan bumita drop off
makamita ka ba drop off selo nga
Tuesdays, Taco Tuesdays le.
I really wanna come and halaga ko kung yung mam ko to sa yung mal sunset hour.
Ng top the earling Taco Tuesdays and so far until today I'm the only musician who sings Spanish. So it's so it really puts me in a challenge where if I want to get my pay I need to fulfill what they wanted me to do. So my freelancing my video and photography, and the one that I've done recently, is Instagram advertise
Oh wow!
So martigal ang Instagram, sumto mortal profile, nga sell link kal taloot ang ila biography nga. On patiring mo yung sell shop, kal shop, nga ka sponsor to help like represented the brand product so whoever goes through that link through that link I collect a portion of that percentage.
Tiang la siya kung
I don't know how to pronounce it properly but I call it Balmain. It's a French luxury design shop. So more suit, jewelry or shoes. Hindi ko fashion like
ang nga rin ako sabihin ko sendal meron like samples buy la mga ra
nga rin two ways nga rin ada sa lo maaring through the site or sumsoy lo maaring nga gigal makot comply. And when they do ask me since I can give them a promo code asin daw ko mga discount off.
I always have a feeling he's a young businessman.
It's a risky thing because I was just curious of the things I've been doing because I know I have big respects and grateful for those who work an 8 to 5 job. I mean, I don't work an 8 to 5 job, but I try to utilize as much as possible, especially on the media platforms. So I was grateful that I at least have one that is helping me out other than my music gigs.
So you're an entrepreneur and specifically a creativepreneur. Like creative. Tegi da dire kalklung yolel tiang epia ul mga taswat yal programan alo mesringer te balotengir ngalikel belau wase ndia kadil 8 to 5 jobs alo bendi Ureor kabalmen tangaringi dire kal ngaringa patokal te alner belau el bek patengel Ureor el dia kal 8 to 5 ndi guktika creative wase ngara swam el meruringi o showai
talaga lomelak mo kana kalding it's a really good lesson nga ako so kapatokoy mal mo dakate me kotel nga dak punctual at ending I will make it at that day
malungin so imbring na ka ang 8 to 5 confined
because in reality ang gukmaangal dak patient tel lo masara computer tal since di nga kamalo man nga tigil tala kalwase ang kawasa emel rula ko to ko hindi gira man betul prioritize nga ka prioritize so not only the trip to Dubai gave us opportunities to develop but because it was a high-level platform to be in, it helped us grow tremendously and open us to things that Tigal Adabela Ureor will make sure that our country is standing we can now have a little bit of hint of what they're seeing. So it's a humbling experience.
Oh, malungin, maglangat-langat. Oh, elang omamdas weka kokora ngaringi ya desire malunga ngaringi sel so mararungu melwase abok merekra school October belon morger al ubeng since kautel ram la mamatu lo mu la bekerel needs ra show pa kau being an entrepreneur yourself en ngaringi aku mesal direct te alo se al som kangar bela en kalel sabi etal kanya so ekuk tangosuka young entrepreneur lomo or something here.
Yes, and that's something hopefully and Dr. was saying guaranteed and hopefully along the way maybe as a chain reaction of what I'm planning to do in the future as el help rebel direct because so I'll experience a lot of stuff that no Palauan would go through. Like outstretch the limits where Palauans can go and beyond. But at the same time, di wala di ba almut telmer sel osisil katarangan so it's eventually it's human nature that of course I want to do and contribute something to Palau. I don't know what it would be, and then eventually I will find out because I want to know who I am first before I execute
still have
something.
a long way to go.
Yes,
malungin na start at the right malungin la kam start malungin we have this one wala angin foundation na kawis right so
physically and spiritually ngautel so ka personality ringil mal magnetic charming personality
and with the internet going on and all this the world is your oyster tiya alangan tiyan mo ra
Ang nakadirect
Kami kasi mo prioritize sa focus. Mal sa magaro ko yung
Actually, kalkot clumsy. So, like, ang yes, nga malumarang kasing maluba ka, ang ngara alaro ko.
maral to ko.
Even though daksal, gumibay sa magala siya in and out, hindi man matingin kasi, the only evidence, sabi agad luwasing aruba ka, ngaringi, take it at kanili lang. And I know there's many people like me and better than me who I've still yet to learn from. So saya mal to kalel na se sangga ruba kol morgi to ko talent.
Why se kada dire ko loyak ka or el altial program regi tra DOTAUT encourage sa tirgal baby ram musicians mar artist. Luaseng akakadamating luasya pela syuka nga luaseng dakadilkit al amatrikit hindi dire kal mal sa pela pia ma Irene al amatr kami engoy kami yun mem ko ko mamatang na luasya ko to kar other pela madura arts ma music. Okay. Ngani nga ko korangot also am lukti share regarding family and besides being a college student.
Yeah, so again, so kadi ngutelte alle, Diosus matigaro both family, friends, and loved ones who know me, and di ba all support nga again, just being really close friends. Tigal adal man matang ka tukar alitak. Kung di kami matingil kasi umesaka ka igel usual spot sak perform kung di matingil kasi akot sa Maria lo meso kami omen mo pay ka pala dito kami omen lo meso kal mitak akpay ka sa Maria lo matingil mo sa kami ngarsay so ang sa ating chalteal kasi I am who I am today lang kami ulo kami na contribute sa bayagal nga rin lang so
malungin may elak kam share a schedule the basic schedule during the week Polo dinger adal wasel so mi
orang
sa ungil ong ngaget ko
oy say nga ka
oy nga
nga kamral hectic I think nga ka-article sa gumakalam layak maakman no matingin mo sa wangara aral la alu ram live my schedules going now and then Sunday and Monday are usually days ak gulungul or action sa igale kuklak dala kara omitak Tuesday drop off Wednesday gukma ko new house Thursday kung drop off alak so ko kung 3 raband Friday ako new house non payday Friday ako ko albasyo Saturday ako alila ya Sunday ako bang gila swing. So di mo ya swing mo sa nga trip ring India, but usually Sunday, Monday wakulungul. And then during the days of every day ako na class.
Class la assignments.
Mungila kamal di masang bekaltan.
So sounds like he's busy.
Makmal ada sa logyan nga mo sa mamal الهاي مميتك I always have to stress out at least baskara 4 to 5 days ahead of time information mong siya
about
schedule mong takal book exaksik lang mal before ang beto araw nga kasi kami ko ngert tagi da yet kano ramir tiyang, so I want to make up for that, so I'm very strict with my time and at the same time balance it out. We'll go with the family link. At the end of the day, boss na nga sanayeng ge baby sister nga mo.
Telarigil.
Ay mo pula na sa kanya.
Si imong manay sa dokolo si yang gukmlatwa badahalak mo message malame.
Apti ka nung kurama si yung vice secretary nga sek apply yung guk o gano'n mo say, are you going to work tonight? Are you going where? Or mulwak nga umurula ka Ureor nga ako lang mo say, where are you? You know, it's a family effort.
And bless with your sisters.
Kung aktirat lang nga lang kay kita abu ko Nelson ang lang ako lang nga lang kasi sumak tato siya mo famous di ko na ba security nga
I say yes, why not?
I'm really grateful for my family that they support me in both tokora why tokora my passion in music also they're making sure that I keep track at school as well, so
I see. Malungin man di ka teme mo kura deviate from what you're supposed to do.
Well, it's a challenge. I rather do a lot of it and be more wise about it. And even though it's a hard job. Musicians, not many people know. Musicians, they really do work hard.
Yeah.
It takes us weeks. Or it takes us literal days or weeks just to give you a 3-minute song.
For practice
and you can imagine musicians may tackle 4 to 5 hours. That's how many songs accumulated. So that's why I have very much big respect for every musicians who devote their time. That's why musicians actually will motakay we don't count the hour. Now we count like all the perseverance.
Ureor and morning prepare. Aktire kalmal mo maasa rong ko therapya. Alwayn ka amletal go garing lo sa makaranya remember ay kalway ni sila alutak lebe queen. It's hard work. It takes hard work. Ali tirgal soril book rape queen nagiril sa at least about a week ahead. Kami tiyan larong siya schedule ang rising superstar regider Palau ada alitak Tuesdays Thursdays ang drop off ako Wednesdays and Fridays ako canoe house anan payday Fridays ako ngod albasyo and then Sundays ang mamante ang ulungul landil ngaring tour swingli ako nang gukol nga seoring gidil matangay schedule ka mo. What else ako passion ka in life das you see yourself 5-10 years from now. Let's say 5 years from now.
Malswakal answer til ang as of now nga kamal dir kabutto ka suwakal but at the end anywhere in life where it can not just benefit myself but also benefit everyone else who helped me and who contribute back. So that's the route that's all nga.
Yeah.
Al maring even tokor dakal alitak but it would have a benefit for both me and my family magtulong sa nga kasi ay kasi dapat mo.
Maklog tutulin.
Malungin. Pamal mo to arong makak mal amatar kartil ay gidel to areng ng arakaw. Malo akmaralo reng rarbek lomes tigel kuramaya karel atel. Kukomes rarbek winner el alpol inspired. Dire kalmo umuto aran di regel kuk tira marule. Allo rula kal allo betuk mlamatikal waset mangitak la mga souls tamaloy ga. Ebol plakaran di ringi mal. Really more the best of their ability. Any advice?
Ato lang kamad po malorong katyang dakatukol dakal sabail.
Oh, I love that.
Yep.
Dakatukol dakal sabail if nasabail continuous school and yet I'm still doing what I love and what I love is sending me to places and also meeting people like you aunties direct malong sa mga direct and I want to contribute back as well. Mal guman mo sinda katol dakal sabail. Mal di oral was gumong mo ko diyan.
Mara man suaktilal advisor mamirkaw. With God everything is possible. Everything is possible.
I see.
Malungil to ko yung kita tial ko ram kaya ko kita miraw labo kan mga kal ngaring aswala pia loker hindi re loker alam ko kung pagsuamal di share ka share.
No, but actually kaman knowing you your family I get your drive dili kaman wala your entrepreneurship asam ala survive I think that's you're born with that. It comes from the family.
I say, and I still have a lot to learn. Aktir ko marahil sa sibas and eventually I'll get there. Mamudu ako tukol post tukol suwak mabut tukol ngara algikan marami.
I see.
Malungin.
Ngaring
kita nga ulmo ka dam nertel blue as.
I see.
Life man precious and man close to trail. Mungira give it all. We give back to him who gave us life. Because explore all the talents that you can explore and learn. Hotel in your some education that will make you give back to the community. Or for me ka malungin Selma say. And more blessings will come to you. When you think of doing things for others, how can you help your fellow men? And maral, aklangat maral di merabaw. Yeah, malungin. So proud of you mo.
Maral to kay lolo ko pia, adira kal plak su pia wase. Bato kara adara blul adalom dasul wase hale bakrali tiang porse next nga ka mamati ka happiness ak mamati ka ring it's happiness adal destination. Happiness is the journey.
Amazing.
It's the journey heldo yakni makmal ako meso ka karel ate you have wisdom kamla Dios o maknal tangatar ka ray kay gitel sengkar ka maalam sila rungumil sab emel madel wase o yung ngilto ko ya diakal destination moltoy ringi diakal udo tang flying ngarang tial journey rakaw tial ikal moru like ay om karo le malala Michael ro kuil tanera ngilto ko el happiness way selol ko nga pia yaklangal tangata di automatic o makamal masawlo bang kamamar elalsil sa akum daso ka akil mo close ka kora adir rutulia closing remark ka the closing mo ko ngi so wala a filmmaker to kasi kom already table so ka mal di film ring takla oy man sabi mo ko kraduli sel last closing remark ka emmer ko ngi kita mo close.
Kung diyan sa kadit mo maldi ka kaya tip mo sa kuman masaro ko both anti Irene anti appeal mal having this opportunity to be here and just say what I can and just small advices and stories I could share not just to you too but matigal ara naman Sir Tiang and also may malo sus may sulir ul other way lang up until today, I can be who I am as a musician. And their support. Maraming taarabli, matigal rula adama, sali. So, very grateful and sakit puso kumalma sa ako.
Okay, thank you. So,
Thank
we'll
you,
have
Beckwin.
muna ako kikilo ka showcase sa talent.
Why say so showcase sa ka talent tumatuman masaw le piatir yalo bangya tara DOTAUT raw kel alsin sil DOTAUT to ko raw Ureor with Mr. Beckwin Mechol Jr. May lagi ko ka mo close el alsin
Mechol Jr.
Okay.
Mr. Beckwin Mechol Jr.
I say it?
I say.
Okay. Kumal masaw makuk next time.